You guys how to eat a jelly. First, we're gonna do like this. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe.
Get off, girl. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It has been so long since I've been getting persons telling me that I need to do a channel, and so here I am, my very first video. I'm very excited about this, and you know, I just want for this journey to be something that everyone can appreciate. It's not going to be, you know, perfect, and this was actually why it took so long to start the whole YouTube channel thingy, because I wanted everything to be perfect, but I know it cannot be that way, and so I'm just gonna start. I've just started and here it is. So this video is a get ready. Everyone get ready. Lord God. Don't worry, I'll be doing something like that, but it's not a get ready with me. I'm gonna start out with, you know, just kind of getting my subscribers. Oh, by the way, you need to subscribe and give this a thumbs up, you know, after you finish watching the video, and if you like it so far. But pretty much this is just a video to let you kind of get to know me, you know, before I start to, you know, introduce you to what the channel is going to be about. So I had asked some questions on Instagram, and I had some persons, you know, ask some questions along with some questions that I saw online. So here goes. Okay, so the first question is, what is your full name? My full name is Shaph Shoshana Hilton. Okay, let's say that slowly. Alright, what does your name mean? Well, I only know about my first name, really. My first name, well, means an Egyptian queen. That's what my dad told me, or my mom, I don't remember, one thing told me at least. They told me that Shabarans gave their name, my name, to them, because, you know, they're very good friends. So yeah, pretty much an Egyptian queen. Thanks, Shaba. I really appreciate it now after all these years, you know. Where were you born? I am a Jamaican, so yes, I'm a Yadi. I was born here in Jamaica, Kingston, St. Andrew. Yes. Which of your parents are you closest to? My mom. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that there. My mom. Yeah. Which of your parents are you more like? Both. I have some ways of my dad and some ways of my mom. Yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna leave that there as well, right? What is your favorite snack? My favorite snack is soldanzo. I don't know if anybody knows that chips. I think it's from St. Mary's. Yeah, I don't remember, but the name of it is soldanza. Here in Jamaica, there is this. It's a plantain chip, so it's sweet and it's fresh and it's life. Yeah, I don't really see it around anymore, but back then it's the jam. But now I love chippies. Like, chippies is one of the rarest banana chips you can ever find anywhere in Jamaica, but it's around. There are specific gas stations that have it. Rarely you find it though, rarely. The best compliment you have ever received, jeez, I'm crying, about my teeth. Just last night, a friend of mine said, oh, he has just admired my teeth. And I'm like, seriously? To be honest, I don't like my teeth. Yeah, I wish they looked, because in person I think they look nice, but I think they look okay, but on camera them look weird. Because if I come so and turn sideways, bye. No, I don't like them. I don't like my teeth. But that's just like the best compliment I've ever heard. Oh, and that people love my voice. Like, my voice is like, you know, like a radio personality type of thing. Like, I can't go in media. Yeah. What is your favorite type of clothing? Oh Lord. My favorite type of clothing is something that is trending and something that people won't hardly ever see you in. yeah, I just like to stand out and I like to be different, and a lot of people always tease me about, you know, like something that I might have on. Growing up, I kind of got that, but I just really never, I was just that type of person who really never cared. So screw you. Oh yeah. Yeah, anyway. Do you prefer kissing or cuddling? Both. Yeah, I like both. What was the first concert you ever attended? Oh my god, listen to me. I went to Meadowbrook High School and I almost, listen to me, oh god, that was such a mess. My mother is a Christian and she wanted me to wear this long piece of skirt go down to my knee to the people them hype up concert, and I was like, mommy, I'm not feeling this jam right now. I'm not finna go to this concert and you have me wearing this long piece of frock. No! So I never get to go. She said me got me ad. So yeah, that was gonna be the first. That was the first one. Cause we drove in and everything, you know. But then when we see everybody at out, you know, them body ride on and them, you know, and them look nice. I felt, no. I was not going to wear that long skirt. I was ashamed. I couldn't step out into it. You mad? Boy, bye. What was your first job? I think my first job was at American Airlines. Oh, my first job was at Bin 26. That was a restaurant, a wine restaurant that was at Devon House. It's a very popular ice cream location, tourist attraction in Jamaica. And yeah, I loved it, but I couldn't stay there. No. When was the last time you cried? Oh my god. Thinking about it right now, I was like, I'm tearing up. Nah, man. But listen to me. The last time I cried was when I was leaving Galveston. And I was leaving my friend Tatiana and Josh, and it was just heartbreaking for me. Because as much as I never liked people them, some of the people them when did I work with up there in Galveston, I love my friends. They made the experience so good for me. I just, like, it was just everything. You know what I'm saying? So, that was really the last time I cried. And, yeah, let's not talk about it. I miss you guys. I hope you're watching, by the way. That would be so cool. Last time I was in a fist fight? No, in a fist fight. Never. I can't fight. Me a hot girl. Hello, I can't mess up my nails and all these things. I can't fight. Alright, that is first thing. That is one thing. I'm not a fighter. I'm a lover. Alright? So no, you can't catch this girl a fight. The bitch can't come. Ooh. Who was your favorite celebrity crush? Usher. Like Usher and Christopher Martin. Okay, so if we're speaking, you know, international, Usher. I always loved Usher. Usher has been my husband. So all that girl from TLC, my face was always in front of hers all the time. If you could give your younger self any advice, what would it be? Oh my gosh. Girl, don't worry, you're going to look good. You're going to act little in the future, so just do business more than we could eat that boy who never like you in the first place. I used to be bullied. Believe it or not, I really used to be bullied because of my teeth. Channel. I used to be bullied because of my teeth. And it wasn't really by people who were in school. I mean, yes, in school, but not as much as when I was in church. And I know it's kind of hard to believe, but yes, by people who were in church. I was a sad human being because I used to feel isolated and it was not a good feeling. You know, people used to tease me, and even when I tried it, I was such a nice girl. People them just bad mind. One thing you know now that you wish you had known as a kid, I wish I knew I was going to be a makeup artist and a YouTuber. Because I would have started earlier. I feel as though when you start early, you retire early. I think that makes so much sense, and you should do it too. Like, do what you love, do what you want to do, and start early. So you'll be good at it early and you will retire early. I mean, I don't even feel like I'd ever retire, but at least I'll have a bit, I'll have a head start in the game more than some people who are unsure. So if I didn't know before and know a long time, I would have never got to UTech and do hospitality and tourism management and make them cross each other. Stress me out. Oh, God. I would have never. I would have go to Paris at Makeup Forever. Oh my gosh, I would have traveled to Paris. Paris. Yeah. If I had known. Only if I had known. So yeah. Are some of your bad habits? I bite my nails and I can't help but tell people how I feel. That's not a bad habit, right? What countries have you visited?
I have visited Galveston, New York, Miami.
Those are all the countries I have visited.
We do apologize.
Can you imagine a dance girl say, you ask her what countries have you visited, and she say, Galveston, Texas, Ohio. All of that is in New York. I mean, USA. USA. I meant to say USA, yes. All of that is in USA. So pretty much the only country that I've ever visited is the USA. That is so sad. I plan to visit Dominican Republic though. I really want to. That's my dream place. Hey Tati Boo. What do you consider unforgivable? You doing that right now? Somebody stepping on my toe after I just do it. And I'm dead ass serious. Yeah. What do you do for a living? Well, currently I do microblading, lash extensions, and makeup. Proudly wearing the sash of Miss So Sassy Makeup Artist. It's not a joke. I seriously do that for a living. Seriously. Guys, you see, I'm not 100% bum, right? In fact, I don't think I'm a bum at all. Have you ever suffered a fracture? Yes. Were we fractured though, Lamoya? I remember one time, let me tell you a story. So one time, we felt hyped. Very hyped, and we decided, we live on a piece of hill, and we decided that we're going to do racing. It was Christmas this time of the year, and we decided that we were going to race down the hill with 2 bicycles. So me and my sister was on one bicycle and my other sister was on the other. So mid-air, right, we flipped over and I gained. Can you see this right here? This cut right here? And this one right here. People thought that that we probably fell off the bicycle. That way. I don't know how it went, but I just know that we were crying, all crying, walking back uphill. I don't know how that happened, but anyway. Why did you start doing makeup? I'm so tired to tell the story.
If you ever.
So let me tell you how I started and why I started to do makeup. So the reason why I started to do makeup. Why are you laughing? You look funny.
Such a bad person.
I'm not a bad person. You know, and you... What's your name? Anyway.
Oh, I'm telling you.
We do not care.
The reason why I started to do makeup was because of a friend of my sister. She wanted... I have done her makeup before. And she loved it, you know. At that time, I was not a professional or anything. I just had some idiot makeup in my kit. And she wanted for me to do her makeup. And I did her makeup and she loved it. She wanted a couple of weeks down the line for me to do her mother's makeup for her wedding. And I was like, okay, sure, no problem. You know, it wouldn't be much money because I'm no profesh and I don't have any products. So I said to her, just give me a second and let me find out from my other makeup artist friends how much they charge and then come back to you. I told her like $3,000 something that time. Back then $3,000 to this $3,000 is like $2,000 for the somebody face. Anyway, that's not money, right? Because I would have planned to buy a black opal foundation or something, which would have been like less than grand. So you know, say she not really paid me. So I told her the price and she was like, are you serious? Like, is it permanent makeup? And then she went on to ask, is it going to be done professionally? Seriously, why would you ask that? Obviously, it's not going to be done professionally because I'm not a professional. That's why you're not getting professional price, girlfriend. And yeah, pretty much. I think the last thing I ended up saying to her was, let's hope you can actually afford me when I do become a makeup artist. And I must say, I really appreciate that young girl for pushing me, because it has made me realize that certain things you know make bother you. You don't let that cause you to be negative all the way throughout your life. Use the negative things and let them allow you to make positive decisions, you know. So pretty much use the negativity to push forward positivity. Did that make sense? No. No, it makes sense. Y'all understand what I'm saying? I'm so excited for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and like my video, and I will definitely look forward to you guys telling me as well what kind of videos you want to see from me, like what kind of makeup looks. Obviously I'm gonna be doing makeup on my video on my channel. So yeah, let me know what next you'd love to see. Boy, I'm gonna look good a little, you know, I'm gonna go in it. I'm so excited. Bye. Oh my god, I can't believe my hair has been like this the whole damn time. Hola YouTube, how are you? Hola. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I don't think we're gonna go with that one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shaph Sassy. Bye Felicious.